Here's how to install the IMVU Toolkit for Blender on Windows 11. So we need to be at create.imvu.com or imvu.com. This takes us to the creator page where we download the file. So scroll down the page until we get to the toolkit section. Click on the button. That will take us to the toolkit page. Scroll down. There is the version for Blender. And all we need to do is click on the link to download. Click on that. Click to download. Save. So that's saved. So we're going to open the folder location just in case we haven't saved this to downloads. So click on the folder icon. Double check that it is in downloads. It is. So make a note of that. Then in Blender we want Edit Preferences. Edit Preferences. And here we want to click on Add-ons. And then on the More Options button, that's the down arrow, and then Install from Disk. This will open up a browser where we can go to, so it was in Downloads, there's the file. So ensure that this is not unzipped. We do not unpack this, we install it as a zip file. So we're loading the zip file directly. So select, everything else is okay, and then just install from disk. That will go through the process of installation, so we'll check the options. So click on the arrow. This tells us the version and the file location, just for reference. So that is active. Close. We should have from the view menu the sidebar option, so if we click on that, there is the toolkit as a tab, and there are all the tools. For example, this is the avatar animation tool. So to confirm, if the toolkit installs, or it appears to install, but when you click on one of the tools, if there's an error message at the bottom, or this doesn't appear correctly, so there's missing components, it means the file hasn't been installed correctly. So ensure the zip file is installed as a .zip file. Do not extract it. But now we can make some IMVU content.